Okay, what I got right here is this is the new base for my station, and on the back side I finally got my first coat of the white on this orange. If you ever look at the prototype, you'll see there's a few little fixes I need to do, like this is loose right here, but I'm working on this where you're going to be able to look in. Actually, there's going to be seams in these two areas. This one you can't really see into, so there's not going to be a seam. And see, there's another fix I got to do. These have been sitting around and they're starting to come loose because I banged it around doing this. But I'm going to cut this out, and then the diffuser is going to go here, and the diffuser will have a little bit of a background on it, so when the light's shining you'll actually see in there. You'll look in the window and you'll see something, and the lights will shine, so you'll actually look in the front there and you'll be able to see something. Then I have a bunch of people that are going to go inside and make some activity, and then there'll be some on the decks. But I also had to shorten this up so it would fit this end piece, because it would have been just too long having the 4 posts, so I changed it to 3 posts. So that's that. Did a little weathering on these cars here. I just got these off of eBay, and doing a weathering job, and I'm going to upgrade all the couplers on them. And that's that part. And I also checked this here to see where my cars are going to come by, so they don't have any issues about hitting or wherever, and they are close enough. So that's going to be like that. My last video that I was working on here, and I started here and added my section of track, my switch, and then a siding that comes out, and then my curve is more gradual and it goes across, and my car is falling off the track. Okay, let's push that up where it's going to go. So that's about what that's going to look like right there. And I put, let's see, you can see where it's angled over here. This is where it used to come in across right there. Right there. And I fixed all this up. You can see how tight that was. And then I also fixed this spot, but that's going to need a little more work. But it'll look like this when it gets done. And then I added all this road here, which is just basic, and then I got this crossing in, which needs a little more work, and that part of the road in, and this right here is going to need more work too. But then the last part of the road is this here. Okay, this is the last part of the road that I need to do right here. And trim out this section right here. And I'll put it back after I get done. I'm going to angle it down like this. X-Acto knife is coming in handy already. My vacuum cleaner to clean that up. And then what I do is I get my patterns ready. A pair of scissors. Start with making that straight. Take this a little more. Give you a basic idea what I gotta do there. Looks like I got cleanup to do after this. Okay, where I was before was checking, make sure I had clearance. I got clearance. I glued this down, but I didn't glue this down. And I also have the openings done now for where I'm going to place lights, and these two spots are going to have just a little activity going on inside. Inside this front window, what I have is a little bench, and it's raised up a little bit, so when I set this here, so that's going to be the end of this video. There's a better picture. Except for the light. Sorry about the light. My light bulb blew out, so I'm using a LED flashlight. But that's about as far as I got. Also, I started putting some wood putty on the road surface, and I'm out of putty now totally. That's drained. So that's where I'm at. People looking real good. So I'm happy with it so far.